Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the Micro Machines Double Takes Fire Escape Playset. This is from the Highways and Byways collection. Comes with one rescue truck and a rescue team. Two little figures there. Transforms back and forth. This is the coolest thing about these sets. It starts as a fire station here, and all I got to do is push a switch and it immediately transforms into a building on fire. Very cool. Made by Galoob in 1995. Let's look at the side. It's got a lot of features. It's got an elevator, opening doors, lots of cool things. And here's a look at the back of the box. Pivoting rescue crane, rescue truck, warehouse elevator, flip down ladder, flip down ramp, rescue team, and this little switch right here is what transforms the building. Very awesome set, and also you can see that there's a lot of other sets you can collect from the Highways and Byways, as well as other double takes play sets. So let's open this thing up. And the first thing I feel here is sticker sheet and instructions. And as always with Micro Machines, they're kept secure in more cardboard. So we're going to open this up and we get to the playset itself. See that? Instant. Very cool. And aside from the main playset base, we also have a bag full of accessories, so there is some assembly required. Here's a closer look at everything included. We have the main playset itself, 5 accessories that need to be assembled, and here's the rescue truck. Very nice. 2 firefighter figurines, an instruction manual, and a sticker sheet with some rather large stickers. Here's a look at the set fully assembled.